So your average basement waterproofing cost is right around $3,000 to $5,000. Typically, homeowners, when they get water in their basement, they are very prompt to take care of the problem. If you catch it before it becomes a serious issue, you can remedy the issue for very low cost. The main issues that come with waterproofing a basement is depending on where the water's coming from. If you have hydrostatic pressure that is put an excess amount of pressure on a foundation wall, those methods can be taken care of on the exterior of the foundation. If you have an excess amount of water coming through what's called the cold joint, an interior drain and sump pump are going to be the best solution for that. Any interior waterproofing is typically cheaper than exterior waterproofing because exterior waterproofing is more labor intensive than interior drainage. I would say roughly 70% of the waterproofing methods we do are a interior drain tile with what's called wall sheeting that covers the entire wall and makes your basement 100% waterproof in the areas those are installed. Homeowners like this method the most because it catches all three phases of water intrusion. It's not the cheapest, but it's not the most expensive. It's kind of right in the middle, but you get a lifetime warranty with this repair. And if you meet in the middle for a lifetime warranty, homeowners and us professionals like that method the best. So when you are dealing with waterproofing and you have a finished basement, unfortunately the sheetrock and stud walls will have to come down so we can get to the bare bones of the foundation. We want to make sure that we see the foundation, we see the issues that are approaching and coming along, and also how to repair them correctly without guessing behind the sheetrock itself. So once the waterproofing is done from the interior and we get everything installed, depending on what the homeowner wants to do, the sheetrock, stud walls, carpet tile, anything that you want to refinish the basement with would be the extra expense that would come with it. In the 20 years of foundation work that I've done, I've seen multiple DIY repairs inside a house. As a professional, I recommend homeowners not to try to waterproof their basements because the issue that you run into is if you do not repair it correctly, then the price of waterproofing goes up because we have to come in and take your repair out to install ours. When you're dealing with waterproofing, it's definitely an expense up front. But if you get it done right by a professional, it saves you money in the long run because you don't have to redo the process over and over again. So when you have something in that you have water in the basement itself, call the professionals, let us come out, let us take care of what's going on and pay up front so that way it saves you money in the long run.